It was at this moment that I knew it was a fail.
Shorty bad, slim thick, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the rich, she the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip, and she fuck with all my bros.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I am back with another one. So here I am starting off with freshly washed hair, and I sprayed some aloe vera juice in my hair, and aloe vera juice helps put moisture into your hair. And so I'm using my aphogee leave-in conditioner, or aphogee. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm putting that in my hair. It is the liquid form of conditioner, so I'm just rubbing that through my strands of my hair. Now I'm adding some olive oil on my hair. That is to seal in my moisture.
Baby, can you focus on me, baby?
So I already sectioned off my hair to make it easier for me to apply the flexi rods. I am detangling my hair right now, and I'm also going to put this vigoral curl mousse in my hair. I never heard of this brand. I believe it's just an unnamed brand. I don't know, but I'm applying this on my hair. Trying mousse because with the I had tried Cream of Nature mousse before and I love the results, so I just wanted to try this mousse to see how it worked. I'm using a 1 1/4 inch diameter flexi rod to apply to my hair. As you see, I'm starting at my ends first and I'm rolling my way up. As I roll up, I was smoothing it down, and I'm just securing it by folding it back. I'm just gonna continue doing this throughout my hair.
Baby, can you focus on me, me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Okay, I am finally done with my hair. I think I got about 16 to 20 rollers in my head, so I'm gonna just sit it under the dryer. Okay, it's like 2 hours later and I am so tired, y'all, and I think that's another reason why I feel that this had failed, because I was tired as well. Also, the product combination was horrible. So I'm spraying some Cantu oil sheet on my hair, just unraveling it, and I'm also feeling it just to see if it's dry. Okay, so I am taking out these here. I had to sit under the dryer for a little bit for the ones right here because it wasn't all the way dry, but it's still kind of a little damp, and that's another reason why it was a fail, because you have to wait until your hair is fully dry in order for your results to come out good. And I was already tired and impatient, so I didn't even really care anymore. So I just went on ahead and just continued doing the video, but in the back you see some flawless curls, so it's just like a mess. And yeah, this is why it was a fail for me, but I ended up trying to work with what I had. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment as well. And thanks so much for watching the video.